Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. Today I have a card share video for you. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag SadMoreMakes. Hashtag 2crafters1design is Melissa, who's Moe Creations, Lisa, who's UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria, who's Girlie's Cards. They give you a prompt each week and ask you to upload your designs on Saturday morning. Hashtag SadMoreMakes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs the Greenwood Girl Cards. And she wants you to create designs all week long and then share those on Saturday morning. So the prompt that 2crafters1design has this week is plants. Pretty sure. So let me share with you what I used to create my card. So from Hero Arts Shadow Ink, I used this soft granite ink pad. This clear, it's not a clear mount stamp set. I don't know why it has that on there, but it's the handwritten red rubber stamp from Stampin' Up. And then from Spellbinders, I used this propagated plants die set. It has 17 dies in it. This is really awesome. It makes some really pretty plants. And then I also use from Spellbinders this laboratory glassware set. It's 18 dies and you create all these different type of laboratory glasses, but I used this one for my card design this week. So let me share with you the card I made. So here's the card. I think it turned out really nice. I really like it a lot. I used a piece of acetate to kind of make you think that that's a bottle. And I love how it has the roots of the plant and then the different layers. This is 3 layers for this one plant here, and this one is 2. And then I also used some little gems from my stash. I used some basil paper, and on the dark blue I used the handwritten red rubber stamp just to kind of give it some texture. I think the card turned out really cute. Let me know what you think below. And I want to thank you for watching my video and have a great day. Bye.